Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. My dear students, today we're going to discuss about some basics of the chemistry, and we're going to learn about couple of things, especially about atom, its structure, and the particles, subatomic particles, all about this. So, as you know that atom is the smallest particle of a matter. Okay. So when we're going to discuss about any matter, like here, this is a box or a brick. So this one as a type of matter. From here, you get a small piece from here. Okay. And then what you do, you will see this in detail. Now inside, you will see that there are very, very small particles, and that mostly the scientists in the you can say that ancient time, they told that these are unbreakable, and they called them these the small particles as atoms. Okay. Now when you little bit zoom this or see inside with the help of electron microscope or in detailed image, you will find a structure like this. What is a structure? It's just going to show you as there is an outer shell, and inside you have a nucleus. So in the nucleus, you have two subatomic particles, P for proton and N for neutron. And outside the nucleus, there are electrons. They revolve around the nucleus. Basically, they move in an elliptical way, but you just understand they move around the nucleus. There are the particles we name as subatomic particles. They also carry charge. P for proton, and you can say that positive charge. E for electron, negative, and N going to represent here neutral, or you can say that no charge. Or you can write like this. Okay. So these are the subatomic particles in an atom. Now, the first thing that you should know that in any atom, my dear student, in any atom, every time number of protons always will become equal to number of electrons. What it means? Positive charge equal to negative charge, or the positive particles are equal to negative particles. For example, you can say there are 6 protons. It means in an atom there will be 6 electrons. So this positive, this negative, you can say that cancel each other. And this the neutron, which may be equal or may not be equal to the proton or electron, but it will not affect on the charge of atom. Till here, any question?
No, sir.
Easy?
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, now you will see the next thing here. This the actually the basic concepts in which you can solve many equations, many things, and you can know about how the atom make molecules and how they react like this. Okay, now number of protons and electrons should be equal. It is, you can say that the rule, but that is not a rule in which that may be equal. They may be more than number of protons or electron, may be less than number of proton or electron, or may be equal to number of proton of electron. Now, so we can say that overall this atom is neutral because proton,
Can you part again?
sorry,
Can you repeat this part again?
number of proton always equal to number of electron, but the number of neutron may be more than, may be less than, or may be equal to proton and electron. It is not important, but this thing is lazim, you can say that this is a rule. Okay, now come towards a very important part of the basic concept from the chemistry is about a definition here that you need to learn and that will help you a lot. Atomic number. Atomic number. Okay, what is atomic number? Very easy. The number of protons in an atom is called atomic number. Understand? When you see an atom, in an atom, the number of protons only, don't mix with it with other. You can say that, no, I will take number of electron, they are also equal. No, but we will not take electron. We will take only proton. And neutrons you can't take because they may be sometimes more or less. Okay, in simple example, I will going to tell you about the number of proton, how we or why we take them as the atomic number. Listen, my dear. You can see your hand on your finger, you will see the linings, what we call them fingerprints. And these are not going to match with anyone in this world. Same way, your eye, there is iris that is also not going to match with other. Or you can say that as your comma number, here it will not going to match with other. So these are specific. These are identical. In the same way, my dear, in an atom, whatever the atomic number of one atom, it will not match to any other atom. Understand? Mr. Amro, you, Ahmad Musab.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this atomic number mean to say this the identical number of any atom. So for example, hydrogen, H, its atomic number is 1. So what it's mean? In hydrogen atom, there is only one proton. There is only one proton. So it's mean if one proton, it's mean there is also one electron. Because proton is equal to electron. Okay, my dear?
Yes.
Okay. Now I can raise this board, no problem. This okay?
Yes, no problem.
Okay. Now go to the next. Even I'm not going to raise all. I just raise this thing. I don't want this actually. Okay. Second definition, after understanding about the atomic number, the second definition is mass number. Okay. Or you can say that the atomic mass. Mass number. What is this? In an atom, number of proton plus number of neutron, that is equal to atomic mass or mass number. Atomic mass or mass number, same. What it's mean? Now, if you want to weigh an atom, what is the weight of an atom? Then what you will do? You will simply take the nucleus. In nucleus, you have two things. The fundamental particles. There are many other particles, they are present in the nucleus, but we just discuss or learn about the fundamental particles. These are three: electron, proton, and neutron. Okay. So this mass is depend or present in the nucleus of the atom. So we can say that P plus N, that gives you atomic mass or weight of the atom. Any question till here?
No.
Okay. Now, the next thing that we're going to see about is another definition. That is about the isotope. What is an isotope? If an atom has same atomic number but different mass number. You will ask, Mr. How is it possible? An atom has same atomic number but different mass number. No problem. I will show you here. This one hydrogen atom. This another hydrogen atom. This another hydrogen atom. What I told you, these are all hydrogen atom. H, H, and H. See the definition of isotope. What I wrote. Same atomic number, but different mass number. In atomic number, what we will take? Atomic number depend upon number of proton. But the mass number depend upon proton plus neutron. Keep this thing in your mind. That is the definition. Okay. In this number 1 hydrogen that I even write in 1, this 2, and this 3. Here in this hydrogen, you have 1 proton. Okay, if 1 proton, then this is also hydrogen, it also have 1 proton. This is also an hydrogen atom, it also have 1 proton. Because all are hydrogen, I can't change the number of proton. Okay, if 1 proton, then it means it also have 1 electron, 1 electron, 1 electron. Khalas, this finish. Now, in this first case, here, in number 1 hydrogen, there is number of neutrons 0. In second hydrogen that I show you here, number of neutron is 1. In the third hydrogen here that I show you here, neutron 2. So my dear, atomic number is here 1, but mass number is also here 1. Here atomic number is 1, but mass number is here 2, because 1 proton, 1 neutron. Atomic number is here 1, but mass number is here 3. So these are the isotopes of hydrogen atom. Yes, my dear. 3 isotope hydrogen. Understand? Same atomic number, but different mass number. Easy or not?
Easy, alhamdulillah.
Don't say me repeat. Wallahi, I explain you very, very easy way. Just like kids. You know very well. Okay. Now come towards the third basic concept that is also very important for you to know about that. There are many isotopes in carbon, carbon 12, carbon 14, oxygen 16, oxygen 18, like this. You can find this also a topic present in your book. Okay. Now, next thing here, we're going to learn about ions. What is an ion? Ion. Okay. Look, my dear. This, a simple atom, you know very well. This, the nucleus in it. Okay. In the nucleus, you have 2 things, proton and neutron. And outside is electron. How many number of proton will be equal to number of electron? It means P is always equal to E. And positive charge always equal to negative charge. In this case of atom, it have 4 electron, for example. We can say like this. It means number of proton is also 4, and neutron we also can say 4, no problem. Only this case. Now, my dear, due to any reason, we will discuss about the reasons why this happened. But here, for example, any reason, this atom lose 1 electron. This electron go out from it. Then what happened? Here 4, Awwal, here 4. Now, if it lose 1 electron, here remaining 3. So it's mean number of electron drop down. Number of protons same, mean to say it's more. So then this atom, after losing 1 electron, then you can say that it's become a positive ion, because this shows that 4 electron mean it is a positive ion, because 4 proton, 3 electron, they are not equal. So this is called a positive ion. Easy?
Easy, but
Yeah,
repeat, sir.
no problem. No problem. Listen. Now, in another case, I will repeat this. Here you have another atom like this. Same atom is here. What you going to do with this? It also have 4 proton and 4 electron. Okay, 4 proton, 4 electron. Here, from anywhere, 1 electron enter in this atom. So what happened? Now, number of proton before equal to electron, mean 4 equal 4. Now 1 electron is added in this atom. What happened? It become 5 electron, 4 proton. Now electron go more, proton go less. Now this become a negative ion. This become a negative ion. Why? Because it gain an electron. And here it lose electron. Due to this, it's become a positive ion. Now, Ahmad, now understand?
Alhamdulillah, yes.
Okay. So almost 4 or 5 things or more than that we learned today. I'm going to summarize. First, we see the atom. Second, we discuss about the atomic number. Then we learn about the mass number. Then we learn isotopes. After that, we learn ions. In ions, we learn positive ion and negative ion. Till here, about these 5 or 6 definitions, you have any question you can ask me. All okay?
Yes, but ask Amr, maybe he doesn't understand.
Who, Amro?
Yes, ask him, maybe he doesn't know.
He showed me a thumb, a very good big thumb, mashallah, like him. It's been he understand well. Okay. Now, after this, we're going to see about the very, very important part of the, you can say that the basic definition from the chemistry is why atom make bond, okay? Or why atom combine with one another or with other elements. This very important part of the lesson. Look, my dear. For example, if I ask you why your father go for work, or why you learn, or why you study, or if someone is going to do a job, why he gonna do the job? Any answer you have?
To get money.
Money. Everyone, it's okay, no problem. Money, but for what? For living.
Yes,
And to get the facilities, mean to say you want to get money to live, to get all the good things or the benefits of the life, you want to enjoy your life. Or if I say in simple words, we all want to stabilize or satisfy. Okay, we want to feel good. Why will earn money? To become feel good, satisfied.
good.
Yani we don't want to get any type of tension or any type of problem for ourselves. Yes.
Yes,
In the same way, my dear, atoms want to become their self-satisfied. Or there are 2 rules. When you see a periodic table, it will like this. For example, I just show you a simple one. It's almost like this. Okay, here. Inshallah, when we discuss about the periodic table, we will learn in detail, but I'm just going to show you here only 2 or 3 things about this. Here you have the elements. All the elements that present in this periodic table, in this area where I line, they want themselves like this, like these elements. The elements these are present here, we call them noble gases. Noble gases. They want themselves like these atoms. Why? They want themselves like this because these atoms, or you can say that these elements are all stable, or you can say that happy. They have all the things what they want, what they required. They are happy with their life. How they are happy? What the thing they have? Because all these, or why all these atoms like them. For example, here at the first in the periodic table, here is hydrogen. And here in this straight, you will see that there is helium. Now, first of all, what is difference between them? In hydrogen atom, there is only one electron in its outermost shell. Okay. But in case of helium, here, 2 electrons in its outermost shell. Now you can imagine what is the difference? Yes, please.
It has a
Yes.
second,
Sorry.
it has a second electron.
Very good. Helium has another electron. So what this hydrogen want? It want to become like helium, or you can say that to want to get another electron to become stabilized. So this hydrogen like become this. So what it do? Maybe it can gain electron from somewhere, or it can share electron, or sometimes some atoms lose their electron to become like this. But this thing is here in the case of this, only hydrogen do like this by sharing or by gaining electron. How it can do? Look, one hydrogen, outermost shell, 1 electron. Here another hydrogen, outermost shell, 1 electron. So what they do? They share an electron. And in this way, both like this, and they form a chemical bond we name as H2 gas or molecule. This easy? Yes,
Yes,
mister.
but how they share the electrons?
Yeah, that another thing. That another thing. We will discuss on it. They can share their electrons with one another. This is the first thing. Okay. Now come towards another example. In this case, if an element or atom going to complete its outermost shell with 2 electrons, this is called duplet rule. What we call this? Duplet rule. Okay. Duplet rule. There is another rule that is called octet. Octet rule. In octet rule, what happened? Except helium, under this all atoms, they have 8 electrons in their outermost shell. Okay. So except hydrogen, all atoms like sodium, nitrogen, they also become gaining 8 electrons in their outermost shell. For this, maybe they can lose electron by losing, by gaining, or by sharing. They will want to become like this. This is called octet rule. For to complete their outermost shell or want to become like noble gases, they do different things. Maybe they lose electron, maybe they gain electron, or maybe they share electron. This is called as octet rule, mostly. Okay, there are many other reasons, but for you, just a brief idea or basic concept, why atom making bond, or why they lose electron, why they gain electron, or why they share electron. This is, you can say that they want to become stabilized. So stability will come from here by this way. Yes, my dear. Any question till here?
No, sir.
You understand about the gaining, losing, and sharing of electron? Why this happened? Now, I give you the example of in which you confuse a lot by sodium and chlorine, Na and Cl. These are atoms, okay? It's mean the number of proton and number of electron are equal. So it's mean there is no charge in the atomic form on sodium and no charge in the atomic form of chlorine. Understand? Sodium has only one electron in its outermost shell, and under it have 8 electron. That is complete. Okay, it means its octet is complete. It just lose one electron like this. Okay, I draw it more good. Don't worry. This one shell, that is the second shell of sodium. Okay, in chlorine you can see like this. This is the first shell, and there is a second shell of chlorine like this. Okay, my dear, this is your sodium and that is your chlorine. There is only one electron in the outermost shell of sodium, and in the inner shell it has 8 electrons. In the case of chlorine, it has 7 electrons in outermost shell. 4, 5, 6, and this one is 7. In inner shell, it also completed. Okay. Now, we just going to see this one. Now here, in case of sodium, it is very difficult to take 7 electron and complete its octet, because it's need more 7 electron to complete its octet. Yeah, it has 1, it needs 7 more, but it's difficult to take 7 from different atom. So what sodium do? It lose its this electron. When it lose this electron, sodium look how? Sodium look in this way. Now in the outermost shell, it become 8. Octet completed, yeah? But due to lose of electron, sodium become Na positive. Yes, Mr. Ahmad and Amru, understand?
Yes, but in the sodium, the
Yeah.
shell, you erased this.
Because this electron go. So electron
Yes.
go, shell also finish. No shell. Because shell is what? Where electron move. No electron, no shell. Okay?
Yes.
Now, due to any reason, this chlorine, you can say that even it take this electron, no problem. Now this become 8. Octet complete. 4 electron also here. Now what happening here? Yes, my dear. What happening here? Octet complete, but as it gain 4 electron, 8 electron, chlorine become Cl negative. Understand? Because more 1 electron is coming.
Uh, an electron will be positive, and the
Uh,
gain of an electron will be negative.
No, electron always negative, my dear. Proton is positive. When here electron and proton equal, 1 electron lose, it become positive ion like sodium. Here again, proton, electron equal. But if electron coming from outside, more electron, chlorine will convert into chloride ion, negative. Okay? Okay, my dear?
Oh, I thought like this. Okay.
Okay. Now look, sodium has positive charge, chlorine have negative charge. Positive, negative attract each other. Yeah? Opposite charge attract. Similar charge repel. Then what happened? they come and join to each other. Now what it become? NaCl. That is your salt. Yes, my dear. Understand?
Yes.
So
But the confusion part is in the positive and the negative.
this is due to
In
the charges. Look here, more proton more, electron less. That's the reason it get positive charge sodium. More electron, less proton, it get a negative charge. Only this. Because why? If they are atom, equal number of proton and neutron. But as they take electron from outside, proton less, electron more, because electron gain negative charge. And in the case of sodium, this electron go out, it become positive. Now understand?
yes.
Yes, Mr. Amro. So I think till here that is enough for today. Inshallah. See you on Saturday, and I will try to show you classified paper. Don't worry, inshallah. Okay, Mr. Ahmad?
And I want to talk with you, sir. Wait.
Sorry?
And can end the recording?
Okay, 1 minute. I will end the recording.